What it do, YouTube? We back. We're back. Hey. We are just riding around on this nice, lovely day in a C300. Well, I hate when people just come out, but know they ain't got the full way to get out. Like, hey, it's all right.
Now turn left onto East Trinity Lane.
I'm doing it because it's a clear go. I don't even turn on this street unless it's like something directly on the street. But hey, actually headed to Hibachi. Had me some hibachi. I need some of that yum sauce. Carpool lane available. Yes, Mercedes, yes.
In a quarter of a mile, at the traffic light, turn right towards US 31E North Ellington Parkway. In a quarter of a mile, at the traffic light, turn right towards US 31E North Ellington Parkway.
Yep, gotcha. Hear you loud and clear. Even let y'all watch yourself park.
Now turn right towards US 31E North Ellington Parkway.
I did ask the dealership if I can get it retrofitted for the adaptive cruise control. So we want to see what they say. It should be able to put everything in here because it got everything you need. This car self-parks, so there's no reason why it shouldn't have lane keep. And I seen with like some stuff they try to put behind the subscription wall, like for the traffic signals and stuff. It's $100 for a year, or you can get it forever for $300. It's like, that's crazy. Like, if I pay for it for 3 years, $100, I maybe get it permanently. Two-tone. Boy, that G got wood and everything on. They about to go build a clubhouse. And they got the chair to go inside.
In half a mile, please keep right towards I-65.
Let's get to Louisville. I still gotta go get this car detailed from the dealership. Try to do it tomorrow. I want to just go home and rest today. I might live stream, but the live stream will happen after this video came out. So if y'all was in for a live stream, hey, shout out to y'all. Big shout out. Just got a message saying there's some traffic. It's kind of showing that on here too, some traffic, but really can take the streetway. They need to come pick up these tree limbs. Right, two-tone. Is that a Lambo? That's something right there. I gotta catch up to it. That's something. I think that's a lamb. that? What's that beeping? I can't get by the lamb. I think that's a lamb. I'll try to get a thumbnail with the lamb. Oh, we probably still got a chance. Probably still got a chance. You just gotta be maneuverous. Gotta get past this minivan. We should be good. It's always a truck. Hey, but shoot, we got what we wanted. There go the thumbnail. Yeah. Tell that lamb they ain't want no smoke. Man, I ain't gonna lie. Nashville really got some cars out here. Hey, next Cars and Coffee, my schedule is completely free. And I don't have an event to go to the night before. So it's perfect. Like, get up, get out, hit the road. And I'm being that new Benzo. Woo! Yeah. In the baby S class. I'm out here speeding like I ain't got nothing else to do. To the left. To the left, to the left. I wish you would pack my stuff to the left. They said it's traffic. So we're gonna take a different route. And we talking about paper route. Can I get over? Can I live? Hey, can I live? We're gonna go a different route. Okay, they doing construction up that way. It's got a light pole to fix. Traffic event should be happening if I'm getting off on the exit, unless it's on the main road. Burn Master. I need to record some more for a vlog too. Last night was cool. I just need some more content. So I might do a part 2 tonight. If everything work out, I'll finish the vlog tonight. I will live stream. I know I got a video I'm putting out. Yeah. This video should come out Saturday. This recorded on Friday. It should be out Saturday. So, hey, I hope the weekend's going well for y'all so far. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Windows tinted. I got a question. This is me personally. I will take longer travel somewhere just if it's flowing better versus dealing with standstill traffic, even though I might get there quicker. It's just something about the mindset of at least I'm moving versus I'm standing still and stop and go traffic. Like if I'm flowing, I'd rather take the longer route than, you feel me, that stop and go traffic that can come up. Come on, you Mustang. I'm letting them over. Like, what else you want me to do? Not promotion, but shout out to, I think it's still over here. I'm trying to double check before I give it a shout out. Goodlettsville Nutrition is still over there. Hey, shout out to them, y'all. Black business. Black business, please. There you go, support them. Good nutrition, healthy options. They do like smoothies, milkshakes, like protein shakes, milkshakes. They have the powder stuff. They got everything you need for your nutrition. But, yeah. We're going to get this thing to self-park.
Turn right and then immediately turn left. In 100 feet, turn right and you will have reached your destination. You will have reached your destination.
I ain't gonna let it do it what it do. I got no hands, and the other hands on the camera. They let the car park itself. And it's getting in line good and straight. It ain't getting all the way in the parking spot though. Hopefully, maybe it's correcting itself. Let's see if it does the right thing, like Spike Lee. It didn't go all the way in the spot, so we're going to have to help it out some. All right. I appreciate y'all joining me. I'm going to catch y'all next time. Godspeed.